Hi everyone, this is Matcha from Tsumazing Race, and I'm here today to teach you how to fill out a sign-up sheet and to save your response. So the reason why you want to be able to save your response is because if you need to make any changes, then it's easier to go back and edit your response instead of creating a new sign-up form. Alright, so this version is for the iOS, so if you have an Android, then go ahead and go to the Android version. If you're using iOS, then you're in the right place. Alright, so the race is always going to start looking like this anytime you sign up. Okay, so this area is where you're going to see the instructions. And then before you start, make sure that you have read the rules and you have also looked at how to save the link to update your submission. If you have any questions about it and you don't understand it, that's okay. That's what this video is for, and hopefully we can answer any questions that you have. If not, that's okay still. Go ahead and just ask us. Alright, so we're going to need a few things from you when you're filling out the form. You're going to want to have your player information. So here's what it looks like. You're going to need your player level, your all-time high score, your total plays, and your total Tsums cleared. I like to save mine somewhere so that I can write it down easily. You can do what works for you. Alright, and then once you've done that, go ahead and click OK. And then once you've read and understood the rules and you know how to save the link, or if you don't know how to save it, go ahead and click here. And then make sure that you do visit your race group daily, because there will sometimes be announcements and you don't want to miss announcements. You don't want to miss the deadlines. Please visit your group daily. Alright, next page. So your line name. Your line name is what gets a lot of people confused. Sometimes they think that it's your ID, but your line name is actually what people will use to tag you. So if you're still not sure which one is your line name, look at your Tsum game, your player information. So over here it's Machacha. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Machacha. You also notice I didn't put any symbols. You usually don't need to include your symbols because it'll be a lot of really confusing and hard to read too if everyone puts their symbols. Alright, so the next step you're going to need is your player level. And then you're going to need to put in your all-time high score. You'll notice here it goes red. So what you have to do is you have to remove any commas that you have. Otherwise it will not be red. Also include your total plays. And again, your total Tsums cleared. So you see here again, I need to remove the commas. Okay. And then when you're picking your version, please make sure it's one that you're comfortable with staying with the entire race. Please do not go back and forth between international and Japan. So in this case, I'm choosing international, so I'm only going to play international. Since you want to play, choose the one that applies to you. And this is a regular race. In this case, it's a regular race. So regular races mean that you're going to be playing with the same Tsums for the entire race. If there's a special race, there will always be instructions on how to do it, but if you don't understand how to do it, that's okay, you can always ask. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you how to save your link. So first I'm going to do it on the computer. So if you want to do it on computer, this is the link that you're going to click on. So I'm going to go ahead and right-click it and then copy link location. So what I like to do is I like to email it to myself, or I'll save it on something like Notepad. That way I can access it easily. Alternatively, if you're doing it on your phone, this is what it will look like. So again, this is going to be Apple. Okay. So with Apple, you're going to click on this link. And from this link, you'll be led to this page. So unlike Android, it opens directly to the page. So all you have to do is click on the link. And then you'll see this. Okay. And then tap on the box of the arrow. Okay. So if you see this, tap on this. Okay. And you'll see these options. Please select Save and Keep. Right? And then once you're in Keep, there's several ways to access it. I'll just show you two. One way to access it is to go to your page and click on Keep. You can also access it through here. Okay, and once you've saved it to Keep, you can just click on it and you'll be able to edit it and make any changes that you need to. Alright, hopes that answers your questions. If you're still not sure, that's okay. So again, this is for Tsumazing Race. Thank you for watching this video.